Hello, I'm John Sanders. I am Director of the Benefit Coordinators. We serve you, employees of the federal government. TBC is an educator of your benefits and a tool to your financial goals. Today, we're diving into the world of FEGLI, or better known as the Federal Employee Group Life Insurance. That's the official title, and exploring how it can support you in times of need and during retirement. So let's get started. FEGLI is a cornerstone of federal employee benefits, offering coverage for you and your eligible family members. Understanding its intricacies is key to making informed decisions about your financial future. First, let's break down the different types of coverages available. There's basic coverage. It's calculated based upon your salary plus a flat amount, while options A, B, and C provide coverage options for you and your loved ones. So you have to remember that basic is kind of like the base policy, and options A, B, and C are riders. But what happens if you're faced with terminal illness? This is where FEGLI living benefits step in. FEGLI living benefits allow you to receive a lump sum payment of your basic coverage while you're still alive if diagnosed with a terminal illness. This can provide invaluable financial support during challenging times. Whether you're an active employee or a retiree, you have the option when it comes to accessing living benefits. Active employees can choose between partial or full payments, while retirees are eligible for full payments only. However, it's important to note that the payment amount is reduced to the amount for lost earnings to the life insurance fund. Additionally, you cannot receive living benefits if your insurance is assigned to someone else. To apply for living benefits, simply contact the Office of Federal Employee Group Life Insurance and submit the necessary documentation. They'll guide you through the process and ensure that you receive the support you need. Also, you can call the benefit coordinators and we will be glad to assist you. Now let's shift our focus to retirement planning. Decisions about your FEGLI coverage after retirement are crucial. Retirees have three main options: keeping it, keeping half, or dropping FEGLI benefits down to 1/4 of what you had. Or you can actually drop it altogether. Keeping all coverage provides maximum protection, but can be costly, while keeping half offers a balance between cost and coverage. Dropping coverage entirely may save money, but leaves you unprotected. If you don't make a choice, your basic coverage will default to a 75% reduction option, gradually decreasing over time. This option provides free coverage but reduces the amount of benefit coverage. Remember, understanding your FEGLI options is critical to securing your financial future and protecting your loved ones. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us, the benefit coordinators. We're here to help you make informed decisions every step of the way. Until next time, take care. I thank you for watching. TBC has created a handbook. It's available to help you understand the complexities of your benefits. It's available online or by Amazon, or you can actually contact us and it's free. If you like this video, please press the like button. Subscribing will help us, and pressing the chime will actually notify you of our new posts. I thank you for watching this video.